Alright guys, time for another video. I'm gonna be restoring my OEM carpet for my 240. It's like the original blue color. I bought some spray can dye, so I'm gonna dye it all black. Hopefully it'll look a lot better. So I gotta vacuum it, get all the dirt out, and then I'm gonna shampoo it, let it dry, and then I'm gonna paint it. And then hopefully it comes out good. Alright, I don't have a handheld machine, so I'm just gonna use this vacuum, this shampoo, and we'll see how it comes out just with that. Alright, I'm done vacuuming it and shampooing it. Looks way better, but I don't like the blue, so I'm gonna be dyeing it black. I just have to wait for this to dry, and then I'll start spraying it. Alright, it is the next day. It's all nice and dry now after I shampooed it. I bought 2 cans of this vinyl, plastic, and carpet dye. I got it online. I forgot the website, but hopefully it comes out good. And hopefully 2 cans is good enough. We'll see. If not, I can just always buy more. Yeah, time to get rid of this ugly stained blue. Alright, it's all done. Looks like brand new. It's crazy how much better it looks. Just gotta let it dry. But my car's also at the paint shop, so once I get the car back from paint, I'll put this back in. Along with these clean S14 seats that I got. I just gotta shampoo them. Yeah, they don't have any rips or anything. They're just a little dirty. Yeah, the car's gonna look good. Yeah, man, I can't believe this came out so good. I only used 2 cans of that dye too. Yeah, can't wait to put it in. Sheesh. Got my car back from paint. I'll post more on it in the next video. But for this video, I'm just doing the carpet. Yeah, it's looking good. I just cleaned it all out. So here's the carpet that I dyed. I just need to vacuum it again. It got dirty, but it looks way better than it did before. The OEM blue was just dirty and stained, so the black looks a lot better. It'll match with the bride seat. I only have one for the driver's seat. I need to find the same kind for the passenger seat. But yeah, gonna start putting the carpet in. Start trying to get the interior together. You can see I got the flock dash, gauges. Now I just need to put the carpet in. And then I have all the panels too. I need to clean them up. So I'm basically just missing the AC vent that goes in the middle right there. And then a radio, obviously, and the door panels. But other than that, it's pretty much complete. So yeah, gonna start throwing the carpet in right now. Alright, carpet is in. Just gonna wipe it down a little bit more, but it's pretty good. Now I'm gonna put the seat in. And then I bought some new, not new, but really good condition S14 seats. They're the same pattern as the ones that came out of this one. They're just way better condition. I'm gonna be running the bride seat for the driver, and then I'll put the passenger S14 seat in for now. Alright, carpet is in. The seats are in as well. I need to shampoo that one. But it's looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna put all the interior pieces back together. Put everything back in. Got the center console, the speaker cover. I need to put the phone back in the bumper as well. Got all the back interior pieces. Got the side trim for the doors. So I'm gonna vacuum that speaker cover. Maybe dye it black, but I need to buy some more paint for that. And then just keep the panels blue.